Is your family too big for your car? Manufacturers are now placing federally mandated decals on your vehicle warning about its weight limit.
And depending on your car, that figure may be easier to exceed than you think. Target 32 has been investigating. Steve Bergen's here to tell us what he's found. Steve?
Most Americans are not getting skinny, they are getting heavier. But are automakers building cars that can handle the weight of larger passengers? Are you familiar with the new stickers that they're putting on the cars with regard to maximum weight that you can carry in a car?
No, I'm not.
No, I was not. Not at all.
No, not at all.
As of late 2006, all car manufacturers are required to place this sticker in the driver's side door. And it's something all motorists should take note of. It's just one of the safety measures that came about as the result of the massive 2000 Firestone recall. The sticker provides important information on tire inflation. It also tells owners the maximum combined weight of occupants and cargo. But there are some questions about how that figure is reached. For example, the combined weight of myself and News Chopper 32 helicopter pilot Bill DeReamer exceeds the weight limit posted on this 2007 Corvette. The owner of this car says he didn't know about the sticker. It says seating capacity is 2, and the combined weight of occupants and cargo should never exceed 388 pounds. The figure is based on a formula from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration.
The interesting thing about it is that the government is the one that has mandated the manufacturers use this specific weight, 150 pounds, 68 kilograms.
That's 150 pounds per person.
The gross vehicle weight is...
Hans Poppe is a Louisville personal injury attorney who we asked to review the federal guidelines.
What concerns me is that the consumers now don't really have any way to know what the real weight capacity or weight limit of their vehicle is.
250, 300 pounds.
Nutritionist Barbara Day says the government's own figures show American adults on average exceed 150 pounds.
The average adult weight for men is about 190, and for women it's about 163, which is substantially up from, say, the 1950s, the 1960s, the 1970s.
The vet isn't the only one with a questionable maximum weight limit. According to the government's mandated sticker, the limit on this 7-seat Dodge Grand Caravan is 1,150 pounds. For a 4-seat Ford Mustang, it's 720 pounds. The sticker for a 4-door, 5-seat Honda Civic says the limit for passengers and cargo is 850 pounds. That's the same for a Honda Accord. And it's 705 pounds for a 4-seat Pontiac G6. The Washington, D.C.-based Alliance of Automobile Manufacturers represents 9 vehicle manufacturers, including Ford, GM, and Daimler Chrysler. Charles Torito is the organization's spokesman.
There are several factors that go into what those numbers mean. And I think you have to look at things like the structural design of the vehicle.
Torito says he can't make a blanket statement that a vehicle is unsafe if you exceed the weight limit on that sticker.
I think that there's a good deal of leniency given to what those weights are. They're there really to guide consumers.
Torito believes the 388-pound weight limit for that Corvette is a good number. He says you can't put much cargo in a vet anyway. He adds you just have to be smart when loading up your vehicle. Are there any legal ramifications if you exceed that weight limit and you're involved in an accident? That's a question we'll tackle coming up on News Channel 32 at 11.
Wow,
Okay,
some
Steve.
surprising numbers in there. Yeah. Thanks, Steve. Louisville resident